Whether it's early spring allergies, late summer allergies, or just extra dust around the home bugging you, it's helpful to get an extra breath of fresh air. With a simple turn of the dial, the Levoit 126 Personal HEPA Air Purifier gives you 3 fan speed options to choose just the right boost of fresh air for your personal space. There are a lot of reasons a purifier can help. Even in the best-kept house, Levoit's 3-stage filtration system helps catch pollen, dust, and spores that wander in from the outdoors, or even particles and pollutants that no one may have accounted for. The 126 Fine Preliminary Filter, True HEPA Filter, and Activated Carbon Filter tackle all these things. Place your filters, mark the month you change them, or want to change them in the future. Though it's beautifully compact in design and unobtrusive in size, it can cover an area of 161 square feet. And if you change your mind on where to place it or want to take your fresh air with you, no problem. It's easily portable in a pinch. Enjoy your direct delivery of fresh air. Levoit, wellness and